A computer is a machine composed of hardware and software components. A computer receives data through an input unit based on the instructions it is given. And after it processes the data, it sends it back through an output device. So, how does this come together to make the computer work? The input devices of a computer can depend on the type of computer we are dealing with, but most typically we will find a mouse, keyboard, scanner, or even applications installed on the computer. Once the data has been received, the central processing unit or CPU, along with the other components, takes over and processes the information it was given. Once the data is ready, it will be sent back through an output device, which can be a monitor, speaker, printer, ports, and so on. To better imagine how a computer works, knowing what's inside will make it easier. Here are the main components of a computer. CPU or Central Processing Unit. Considered the most important component in a computer, and for good reason. It handles most operations that make it function, by processing instructions and giving signals out to other components. The CPU is the main bridge between all the computer's major parts. Random access memory or RAM, a computer component where data used by the operating system and software applications to store data so that the CPU can process them quickly. Everything stored on RAM is lost if the computer is shut off. Depending on the applications you use, there is typically a maximum limit of RAM you will need for the computer to function properly. HDD, also known as hard disk drive, it is the component where photos, apps, documents are stored. Although they are still being used, we have much faster types of storage devices such as solid-state drives or SSD that are also more reliable. Motherboard. There is no acronym for this component, but without it, there can't be a computer. The motherboard acts as the home for all other components, allows them to communicate with each other and gives them power in order to function. There are components that don't require a physical connection to the motherboard in order to work, such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but if there is no connection or signal whatsoever, the computer won't know it's there. Video card. The video card is an expansion card that allows the computer to send graphical information to a video display device such as a monitor, TV, or projector. Most modern computers include them, and while they're sometimes associated with video gamers looking to get the most fun out of their games, they're also useful for professional applications like using Adobe Photoshop to edit photos or editing business videos. Network adapter. Even though it is not actually required to operate the computer, the network adapter improves the user's experience as it provides access to the internet. Modern computers with operating systems such as Windows 10 and Mac OS will not offer the user all of its features without an internet connection. For more videos, please subscribe, like, share and comment.